In this video, we want to learn how to use bookbolt. Now, once you log into the bookbolt app website, you see a place for you here. You see tutorial. The first thing you need to do, go to that tutorial here. Watch those videos step by step. They are going to explain in details. Now, let's go to the product page. This product page is where you are going to look for keyword for the exact type of um keyword, maybe a book on Amazon. Now, for example, if I put let's say I want to search a keyword with this title, let them theory. Once I put this keyword like this, I want to know the details of how this product is performing on Amazon. Can you see it? It will bring books related to it. Now let me zoom it so that I will show you where. Look at this first book that it bring here. This book is on Amazon and the author name is Matthew Elu. Now the asking, you see, it will give you details. Look at the price for this book and the reviews that this book has gotten already, and look at the number of sales, how many sales this book is making. Look at it to give you the product details. For example, if you get a keyword, I want to write book on it, you can just come here, put it on that product details. It will give you details explanation. Now let's start with the keyword. Look at the keyword here. We input. Look at the keyword here, then look at the total results for the first page. 100 search volume. Now look at the average BSR. This BSR means best seller rank. This is the category that this book, the selling volume that is classified right now, is among 823,544. So this title, this is how to find details for it. If you want to get the sales of how books are performing very well on that keyword or on that your book title you want to write on, you come to this um, product so that you can get details. Now let's move to the second one. Let's talk about clouds. This cloud, for example, let's say we want to get a journal. Let's input our journal and we want to know the top 10 selling journal on Amazon search bar, and the BSR, that is the volume of the sales, the category of the volume of the sales. That is the best selling rank for that book. Now look at it. In this result, we are searching for 5,000 BSR. This is where, look at the book related to it. You see all the details. Look at it now. This book, look at the title, look at the author name, look at the reviews this book have gotten so far, and look at the date that they published this book. You need to calculate the date of the books to know it is a new book and is performing very well or is not performing very well. So look at it again. The current BSR for this book is 227, which is performing very well on Amazon. Now the estimated monthly sale, you know, look at it, 717 sales every month. This is how to get details. If you input your book title, it will give you in details. Look at it. If you want to look at the description, you see, look at it here, click on it to get details. Mainly this keyword research, this research place to give you details of what others, how the book is performing well, and how the sales is ranking, and how, and the information of the titles. So let's move to this other one. Now once, if you see any keyword that you want to save, it is this favorite here. Look at it, this place here, this place. Now let's talk about keyword. This is where you input your book title to see related search volume for it. For example, let me put let them theory. Let me put this title now. It will bring me keyword related to this title that people are searching for on Amazon. Now it will give you the search volume, the number of search that keyword has for a specific keyword. For example, look at it on Amazon. Look at it. Look at the main suggested keyword that it will bring for you. Look at it. Some other suggested keyword. Look at them. Then you can get your own idea of titles. You can use anyone that you see. After you check it here, you go to Amazon, go and be typing it step by step so that you know it actually people are searching it. But most of the time, all these keywords here is what people are typing. But you have to know the search volume and the demand. The demand, you need to go and put it on that product this thing, so that you know the sales for each month, you know the BSR. The higher the BSR, that means that it is not selling well. The lower the BSR, that means it is selling well. So let's go to the other one, KDP spy. This one mostly work on computer. If you have a laptop, you can use it. So once you come to this second one, this is where this one also work on um computer, maybe if you have a laptop. So this is a summary of how to use the number one here. This number one here is a tutorial how to use the web to find profitable keyword ideas. Now number two, product. If you want to get details explanation of each product or a keyword related to your book that you want to publish, come and put it in this product. Now let's talk about right. This seller means it will give you details of those how will I put it, those publishers that are on Amazon, those whether they are self-publishing authors or a specific company, book publishing company. So this seller, if you put the name of the name that you see on Amazon related to that book, it will give you the details. Is it a self-publishing author? Is it an author who wrote the book by, or a company or an organization? To give you the details of that book related to it. Now let's talk about this book scout. For example, this one is mainly on, if you want to check asking of books on Amazon, you check the book. If you want to get details of that specific book, you come to this book scout. For example, this is the asking, I paste it and it bring out, this is the exact book I saw on Amazon there. So I paste it on my book scout. It give me the details. For example, look at other keywords related to that book here. Then look at the ranking on that, on any specific keyword. Now look at the search volume again. So it will give you specific details of that book. For example, if you see a book related to any niches, you copy the ASIN. That ASIN means a 10-character code Amazon assigned to each book. It's just like an ID number or ID code for each product on their platform. So if you want to get a specific details of a particular book, you want to check how it is, you come to this as you copy the ASIN. The ASIN, it involve numbers, alphabet and other things. Category, there is a place for you there. If you want to check category for that book, if you have written your book and you don't know the category again, come to this place in that book. Look at it. You click on this category here, KDP category. Once you click on it here, then you put that your book title. Put it like this. For example, it's about health. You just put the title. Bring the category of that title. Look at it. Then it is you now to choose the exact one. It's going to bring broad categories, so that you choose a specific one related to your book. Then you can go and tick it on your Amazon form whenever you want to upload your book. Now let's talk about this cloud here. This one, if you want to know top selling books on any niche on Amazon, come to this cloud, click on the cloud, then you come and pick the price range, maybe from 0 to 30, or any price range you want to see that book. For example, I want to check the top selling books on journal. I will click on journal like this. Once I click the journal, look at where I'm saying here, look at it. You choose the category, then you check the BRS, you choose the specific BRS I told you about, best selling rank. If the best selling rank is higher, that means it's not selling. If it is low, try to reduce it to low to check what is selling very well. Now, then once you choose it, what you are going to do, click on this one, click on search like this. Then it will bring, for example, I choose journal, it will bring those top selling books in journal. Look at them, the number one top selling book from the asking from, look at from our research, 0 to 5,000. This is the first number one journal that is selling. This is how to know for a low content book. You can also put other high content, um but mostly this is for low content book, but there are some category for high content book here also. So this is how to use bookbolt to find profitable keyword idea. Let me briefly explain it for you. This place here, let me zoom it so that you can see this. This place here is the tutorial on how to use everything. Make sure you watch them step by step so that you get deep understanding. This is the product. If you want to get any information about a specific book on Amazon, all the information, the book description, the monthly sales, the best selling rank, the um uh, and the asking and other things, you come to this product, you get the product details, you understand. Now let's talk about seller. Seller is the company. To know the company, or is it a self-publishing author, or is it a an individual author. Now let's talk about cloud. This cloud here to give you details of all those low content, the top selling books on each um low content category. For example, let me show you all the low content. We have notebook, we have journal, we have music sheets, we have calendar, planner, coloring book, all those. It will give you the details of that low content, the top selling this thing for that low content niches. Now scout, let's talk about scout here. This scout, if you want to get, it's just like you copy the asking, that is the code for that page on Amazon search. This thing, copy that specific code, that asking number, then you come and paste it to get details and keyword related to it and the ranking of them. Look at it, to get it. Search volume again, look at it. Now this favorite, once if you want to save your keyword, anything you save, you come and see it for this favorite. This keyword, if you are writing a book title and you want to know the no different keyword related to it, come to this keyword, you paste it here, then it is going to suggest to you other one that you are typing on Amazon related to that your book, to that your title. Then you see the search volume. Search volume means the number of search it gets once somebody type it. Once they are typing it, the volume, how many of it. Now this KDP category, if you want to get category of your book, want to know the specific category, then you can come and put the title here to tell you the category, then you choose the right one. Now let's talk about this KDP spy. This one, if you want to check directly details of those your competitors from Amazon web page, you can add this extension so that you can using the extension whenever you are typing the specific title on that Amazon search bar to give you all those details there. Now this one is all about those this thing. It's also an extension. All right, this bookbolt lister is a Chrome extension. It's just like the other one is an extension. Mostly these ones they normally work on um, computer or laptop, any of them. So it will help you automatically fill in those details for your book. This thing you don't have to be typing them one by one. If you are using, if you want to publish many book, for example, it will show you the author name, the subtitle, the description, the keyword directly from that publishing page. You understand? You don't have to be going and be checking them one by one, one by one. You understand?